Okay, one more item, and look how pretty these new leggings are. They are not the performance that we had a little while ago. These are gonna be light and tight, and they are metallic. So you can see they shine a little bit. So it's metallic, light and tight, ombre. So many awesome things. High-waisted, 7/8 lanes. These are sublimated. You can see how the waistband is darker because it has a double layer, and it looks more black. And this, instead of being stretched out because they're sublimated, you can see the white poking through also on my booty. So this is my true size. If one tip that I have, if you don't like this, if you want to avoid the white poking through or switching the color, you can size up one so it doesn't stretch as much. And you guys know I'm in between sizes, so for me probably stretches more than for other people. But I feel like since they are ombre, it just kind of like blends in between everything. So true to size or size up if you want more of the black color and not so much of the white poking through. But otherwise, there are true size in me, and you guys know that I'm between sizes and between 2 or 4, and these ones are size 2, and they're great. So get them because they are gorgeous.